Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapy, and welcome back to the channel. So I want to read a comment, actually a question that was posted on YouTube from Sachin Day. So Sachin Day from India said that there was a slip and a fall, injured the right shoulder, tore the rotator cuff in the month of October 2021. Had an MRI, it was confirmed that the rotator cuff was torn. On the 4th of February 2022, this person had a rotator cuff repair surgery. So the poster said, I was advised that for 6 weeks I was going to be in a sling, and then I would start physical therapy sessions after that, which isn't unreasonable. I do see a lot of patients like 1 or 2 days after surgery, but I also have some surgeons who want their patients to not start physical therapy for 6 weeks. Typically, the bigger the repair, the more tissue involvement, the longer they wait to allow the shoulder to heal up a little more before you begin physical therapy. So Sachin was saying, however, I'm in my 4th week of after surgery, and the last couple of days I've been feeling more pain in my right shoulder, and especially in the morning after I wake up. I really want to understand, how would I know if everything is intact, if the muscle is attached. So I'm going to tell you, it's probably not that unusual for you to feel an increase of pain around this time. You're 4 weeks out from surgery. You've been in a sling. The reality is your shoulder is getting stiff. Your shoulder is getting tight. Now, your surgeon may have intentionally made this decision to say, it's better that we allow the shoulder to tighten, but maintain the integrity of the rotator cuff repair. I've spoken to many surgeons who believe that you're trading one for another, and so we can always loosen a tight shoulder, but we can't fix a failed repair. So that's one of those things where I would probably bet that's what you're experiencing. Now, if you haven't started physical therapy because you're waiting for the 6-week mark, what I would recommend is either schedule a follow-up with your surgeon or find a physical therapist that you can start working with. A physical therapy evaluation will be a great way for you to start to get some information and make sure that everything is okay. While the therapist would likely not be able to tell you if you retore or damaged the repair, the therapist would be able to tell you if everything you're experiencing is within the normal range of what we would expect. The therapist should also be able to provide you with some massage therapy or soft tissue mobilization that will provide you with some relief from the pain. The fact that you're feeling it more at night, or rather in the morning when you first wake up, is suggestive to me that throughout the night, your shoulder is getting stiff, your shoulder is getting sore, you're probably getting into a position that the shoulder is not comfortable with. If I had any inclination that somebody had maybe damaged their repair, I would expect them to feel more pain throughout the day, and typically less pain early in the morning. So I'm going to tell you, talk to your surgeon, talk to your physical therapist, maybe start physical therapy a little bit early. From what you've said here on a limited information basis, it's not unreasonable that you would expect to experience those sensations. And if you have more questions, or anybody else watching this, please feel free to post your questions. While I cannot give you medical advice, I absolutely can help point you in the right direction and give you the educational information that might help you make better decisions. If you want to see the next video that YouTube is recommending you watch, go ahead and click this thumbnail right here, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.